To replace a chute flap rivet on the Cub Cadet Chipper Shredder, you will need a rivet gun and potentially a pair of needle nose pliers and a power drill with a 5/32" drill bit. If required, use the needle nose pliers to secure the rivet you're replacing and the power drill to drill out the old rivet. To install the new rivet, position it in the rivet gun and insert it through the chute, the flap, and the backing plate. Pump the rivet gun handle to secure the rivet. With the flap fully secured, confirm it moves freely in the chute.